everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to upload and share your video on YouTube. Other than perhaps your secret dreams of becoming a YouTube sensation, this can help you if you have an assignment that requires you to share a video with your peers or perhaps with your instructor. So first of all, you will need to create a YouTube account. So you can just go to youtube.com and you will go up here on the right and you will have to create an account. This is free, and once you have created your account, then you will have your very own YouTube channel that you'll set up. So if you click here in the right and you go to your channel, then it's going to ask you to set up a name. If you want to call it something else, you can. I'll just leave it my name of Create a Channel. And again, don't worry, you can make all your videos private and only accessible if you provide the link to someone. I would also recommend you can do this on your smartphone as well, or your desktop. I like to have it on both. There's some features that I think I found easier to access on my smartphone versus my desktop. So you can set it up on both. Step 2, you have to record your video. So you get to decide how you want to record your video. Do you want to use a webcam? Do you want to do a live recording? Or are you going to use perhaps your smartphone to make your video? The next step 3, is upload video. So I'm going to show you from the desktop first. So you go up here to this plus sign at the top right, and it looks like a plus with a camera. Hit that, and you can either select upload video or go live. If you wanted to just hit go live, then you don't have to do recording the video. You just do your video right here and it records it live and would upload it to YouTube. So that's an option. But if you want to be able to do a little preparation, then you would have recorded it in advance, hit upload video. So here you have the choices. Public, if you choose that, then anybody could search it and watch your video. If you choose unlisted, then anyone that has the link, if you sent the link, you shared the link, then they would be able to view your video. Or with private, you could email it to certain people. And then scheduled would be if you wanted it to be released at a certain time. And you can upload your video. So I'll hit this. This takes me to where my videos are saved. I have some ones that I've done for class. Here's one called Closing. I will open that. And then it's going to give you the option while it's uploading the video. You can title it, you can put some other information on it, you can put some tags. And here's the link where it's going to be. So once it's uploaded, then you can hit done. And then it'll finish processing, but it's going to have the link where your video will eventually be. So you can either copy that link, you can copy this link at the top, and that would be one way that you could, of course, share your video. You can also use the YouTube app. You may find it easier to video from your iPhone or your smartphone versus a webcam or your computer. So if you have the YouTube app, then you would just hit the icon that looks like a little camera at the top there, and then you would select a video that you want to upload. Here's a video of my son running cross country. You can hit next, you can title it, again hit private, same thing, you would hit upload at the top and you could upload it directly to video to YouTube that way. So step 4 is to share your video. So you can either copy this link that we were given earlier. I'm back on the desktop here. So you could just, copy and paste this link, or actually click on it and go to that link and copy it. You just select it, right click, copy it that way. Another way is whenever you are on your YouTube page, if you click the top right is where you can select your channel. And so you can see here, these are some videos that I've posted throughout the years as teaching and sharing with students. So when I click on this one here, it's going to start talking. Okay, so you can scroll down and where it says share, if you click share, then it's going to give you where you can copy the link, and then you would be able to, you can also post it these different places, but you could paste that link into a Word document, into a discussion board, into an email, however you choose to share this. But hopefully this will make it easier to share large video documents with your peers and your instructors. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful in showing you how to upload and share a video on YouTube. I can't wait to see it.